difference between, you've got marijuana and then you've got hemp. Essentially, it's the same plant. The definition of hemp is defined as anything below 0.3% THC. So the hemp plant is naturally higher in CBD and low in THC, whereas marijuana is high in THC. And really, over the decades, CBD has been bred out of marijuana. I think simply because not knowing what the benefits were of having that molecule in there. But as far as all those different acronyms, THC, CBD, CBN, CBC, CBG, I mean, the list goes on and on. So there's 112 different cannabinoids that are found, in the hemp plant and in marijuana. And, what we focus on is minimal processing. So we try to keep that plant profile intact as much as possible, because it's never just about one single molecule. It's about that synergistic effect that we find is to be the most benefit to people that use any of these plant-based medicines.